Are you looking for a dependable used or certified pre-owned GMC truck? Look no further than Central Buick GMC in Winter Haven, Florida. Located conveniently at 1555 First Street South, this dealership has been serving Central Florida for over 50 years. At Central Buick GMC, you'll discover a robust inventory of GMC-certified pre-owned vehicles. Each truck undergoes a thorough 172-point inspection, ensuring top-notch quality. You'll enjoy a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain guarantee. Plus, roadside assistance and a free vehicle history report are included. Why choose a GMC-certified pre-owned vehicle? Unlike a standard used truck, a CPO vehicle gives you peace of mind with rigorous testing and manufacturer-backed warranties. Imagine driving a high-quality GMC truck without the new car price tag. Central Buick GMC offers a variety of models, including the popular Sierra, Canyon, and Yukon. Whether you need a heavy-duty Sierra for work or a nimble Canyon for city driving, there's something for everyone. When buying a used truck in Florida, consider these essential factors. Confirm the CPO certification, review the vehicle history report, and inspect for sun damage. Don't forget to check the powertrain warranty and the 4WD system, if applicable. Worried about financing? Central Buick GMC makes it easy. Their finance team collaborates with many lenders to offer competitive rates, even for those with less than perfect credit. You can pre-qualify online without impacting your credit score. Central Buick GMC proudly serves buyers from Orlando, Lakeland, Tampa, and across Polk County, with complimentary delivery throughout Central Florida. Ready to find your certified pre-owned GMC truck? Visit Central Buick GMC online or stop by in person today. Your reliable truck is just a click or a call away. Explore the inventory and take the next step towards driving your dream truck.